Hello YouTube! Welcome to our last part of our Pokemon Celestial Storm booster box unboxing with my assistant.
Hi.
And her assistant. What's her name?
White Sox.
And then, I think that guy?
Robot.
Okay, it's time to get the packs. Go count them.
One.
Hey,
look! This picture was like happy!
2. Who's happy?
Happy. It's a then a perfect. Like this one.
Oh, cool. Okay, how many packs now?
7.
3, 4,
5.
5.
Hey,
Another happy.
6.
It's 5, and then 6.
6.
And
This is a
then
6. 7.
the last one. There's one more. 7. 7 packs.
Empty.
Empty?
Yeah.
All the packs?
Mhm.
Are you ready to open them?
Yeah.
We're gonna get some good cards today. Pack number 1. Where could it be? What do you think?
There.
Ah, behind you.
Robot.
He's hiding behind you. Nope. Code card. Can you see it?
Fire.
Fighting. Okay, let's go look at the cards. Masquerade. You got Bill's Maintenance. You got Pelipper.
Helper.
You got Sneasel.
Needle.
You got Whismer.
I know this is the healing Pokemon battle with it.
Really?
Yeah. This is the Pokemon sword. The next board caves.
Nice. You got Baltoy. You got Bagon.
Hey, I got
Torchic.
Bagon.
Ooh,
Hey,
you got a
this
Lombre.
is Happy. Happy's when Torchic makes it. When I give you a nickname, I'm Happy.
Your nickname's Happy?
Yeah. Torchic
You
name.
got a reverse Lombre, and our rare is Claydol. Oops. Regular rare Claydol. Pack number 2. What could it be?
I love it.
Okay, opening it. Okay, we got this time. Code card. What energy could this be?
Fire. Glass.
Grass. Okay, let's get the cards.
That was like a leaf.
We got a Hiker,
Hiker.
Lure Ball,
Warball.
Oricorio,
Coil.
Fanpy,
Vampy.
Pampearl,
Apple.
Skitty.
Skitty. Hey, I have Skitty.
You have Skitty?
Yeah, but then Skitty starts pointed.
Oh. You got Lotad.
What had?
You have C-Dot.
C-Dot.
Ooh, a
Hey,
reverse.
I have a C-Dot.
Do you have a C-Dot?
Yeah, then it starts pointed.
Is it strong?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so yeah, we got a reverse Heatran. Nice and shiny.
Yeah.
And our last card is Regice. Regular rare Regice. Pack number 3. He's hiding again. Oh, robot's holding it again.
Yeah.
Okay, open. Okay, what energy is this?
Fire? Steel.
Steel energy. Okay, time to look at the cards. Got a Life Herb,
Fire.
Masked Royal,
That's Boyle?
Minior,
Yeah.
Spoink. You have Spoink.
Yeah. Hey, this mirror was the moonstone.
The Moonstone?
Yeah, a moonstone.
Is that a Moonstone?
Moonstone's old.
Old?
Yeah. You always
Baltoy,
Cowboy.
Wingo,
Bingo.
Meditite.
Hey, I have that.
You have
I
a Wingo
Wingo.
too?
Yeah.
Another C dot.
See that.
Oh, you got a Fisherman, Holo,
Hey,
reverse,
I have.
Fisherman. And the last card
I have
is
that one. I'll see that. I have
a Sceptile, regular rare. Sceptile. Pack number 4. You ready to open it?
Yeah.
Well, where could it be?
There.
What? Ah, Robot's running over the pack. Ah. Okay, time to open the pack. Oh, you need help?
Yeah, you're the destroyer pack.
I'm the destroyer of packs. I destroyed the pack.
Now you're the destroyer pack.
Code. Okay, let's look at the cards. What energy is this? I think this is the one that you like.
Fire.
Yeah.
Yay!
Finally. Yeah, let's look at the cards. We got Soul Rock, Life Herb, Sky Pillar, Love Disc, Spinnerack, Torchic.
Yeah. Hey, that's happy.
It's Happy.
Yeah.
Happy the Torchic.
Yeah.
Slackoth. You shop it. Holo, reverse hold friend ball. And the last card is what's is it a
Shiny.
Deoxys? Looks like a holo, yeah, looks like a holo. You can't see it, but it's it's a there. It's a holo Deoxys. Pack number What? The robot running away. Wow. Pack number 5. Destroyer of packs. What? It's not the card. It's the pack. Let's get show them the cards.
Look at what he's going to you.
Is he going to me?
Yeah.
Oh, this one. What's this energy card?
Electric.
Ah, you saw it. Look at the cards. Ooh, Torkoal.
Toco.
Ow. Lure ball. Ooh, rainbow energy. I like this one. See?
I thought we have a rainbow energy.
You're right. Trico. Cacnea. Mudkip.
I have khaki on.
You have Cacnea? How about Mudkip? You have Slugma. Beldum.
I have
Ooh.
Slugma.
Reverse Shuppet. And our last card is a Bannet. A regular Bannet. Pack number 6. Oh, what's going on here? Is he giving the pack to the unicorn? Alright, time to open the pack. Give it to you. Ah, destroyer of packs.
It looks like Articuno.
Articuno.
Yeah. Look.
Ah.
I got Articuno.
Articuno, okay. Oh, not that one, this one.
Yeah.
Open the pack. Code card.
Ah.
Oh, upside down. What energy is this? Oh.
Psychic.
That was my fault. Psychic. Here's the cards. Helot. Copycat.
Copycat.
Huntail.
Until.
Beldum. Alolan Rattata. Voltorb. Trico. Gulpin. Lure Ball. And Holo Ariados. It's the last hope for
Hey, that's
Rainbow
happy.
rare. Oh, it's happy. Okay, now open it and be happy. All right.
Look, this is Rotate, the Firebird. That's it.
What energy is this?
Psychic?
War. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Who was this? Gorbis? Nuzleaf.
Hey,
We have Nuzleaf. TV reporter. Larvitar.
Wilmer.
Bellsprout. Chinchou.
So,
Meditite. Ooh, reverse Huntail.
is
Wait,
it?
and the last card for this mystery box is Mag Cargo. Regular and Mag Cargo. That's it. We opened all 36 packs. How do you feel? Just to recap, so we got like a reverse Heatran, Holo Deoxys, and a Holo Ariados. Like, those are the good ones that we got today. For the rest, like, we just had some regular, just Holo Lure Ball, reverse Shuppet, regular Rare Bennett, reverse Holo Friend Ball, reverse Lombre, regular Rare Sceptile, reverse Fisherman, regular Rare Clay Doll, regular Rare Mark Cargo, reverse Huntail, and the regular Rare Regice. So thanks again for watching, and as always, please if you liked it, hit like or subscribe, and again, appreciate you guys watching the video, and yeah, till the next ones. Bye bye.